Thanks for coming to our stall.
Yeah, sure.
So, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine, doing good.
Yeah.
I just want to know exactly what the machine, what we have in Rainbow facility and this one. What is the difference or any upgrade or any update? Can you explain me in detail?
Actually, this is the model 1690V. This comes with the complete cast bed and cast column. You can load around 2 tons in this machine. The weight of the machine, you can load around 2 tons up. This basically comes with the BT50 spindle. BT50 spindle, spindle chiller along with the machine. And we also supply this rotatable, big bore rotatable along with the tailstock as a standard supply for this machine.
And this is indexing. Indexing is continuous or indexing?
It is in servo mode.
So
It is a continuous one.
and it has an ATC also.
Yeah, ATC is standard. 20 tools is already there. 22 is already standard. And the system what we supply for Middle East generally, we give it with the 15-inch screen. 15-inch screen and also with the manual guide eye. So all those programming becomes very easy for you. And this is the chip removal in this machine is through the conveyor.
Okay,
It's
double conveyor system.
It's a double conveyor system because the y-axis goes up to 900 mm. And the spindle RPM we give 4000 RPM because it is with the high torque motor. This is with the 26 kilowatt spindle motor.
power.
Generally it is with the 11 bar 15 or 18.5. This is with the 26 kilowatt. So we reduce the RPM so that your metal removal will be better.
And what about the spindle cooling system?
Spindle cooling system is standard. Since the BT50, the bearing size is bigger, we provide spindle cooling system as standard. We also provide a chip conveyor on y-axis. And this comes with the coolant through tools facility and with the ground force motor, 21 bar capacity on a coolant.
Okay.
And with the back filtration also.
Is there any probing thing you have for this machine?
Probing is actually done, but
It's an optional.
It's an optional, but in this machine it is not there. Anytime you can just
Integrate.
just an electrical integration. And we also displayed a LT40 3000 LM. This machine is exclusively meant for heavy machining application, oil and gas, pipe component, and threadings. So these are all the added features in this machine. The turret comes with the 150 mm disc. You can use a 60 mm boring bar holder and also 80 mm. If you have a lengthier boring, you can use a 80 mm.
Okay.
You can lock the turret so that the heavy boring bars can be used.
Okay.
One thing. Steady rest is standard in this machine, and the steady rest is a hydraulic clamping. Clamping, declamping is hydraulic, steady movement is hydraulic. The capacity can go up to 390.
390 diameter. Okay.
And the spindle, we provide a heavy duty spindle A215, 24-inch chuck. And the bore will be around 165. So you can insert a component up to 6 inch, either from the backside or from the front side. It's a hollow throw. And this machine is made in a single piece cast bed. It's a monoblock casting. And the weight of the machine is around 18 tons. And the system also, we provide Fanuc system with 15-inch screen. For all our Middle East requirement, we made the 15-inch screen, manual guide eye, and thread repairing function, arbitrary speed threads, everything is standard in this machine. So this is a complete proposal to a customer where he is into heavy machining applications.